package time. I don't want to tear this. I think I know what it is. Maybe there's two layers. You can hear that. There's two layers of stuff. Also, we'll be filming the assembling the Dollar Tree kit. Oh my god. This is just ridiculous. And then I'm using this even hand. Still short. Well, are you not going to open this? Are you going to be... I think this could be a pain. Okay, pain in the butt. Oh, I know what this is. Oh. And then there's a... Okay. So, I pulled the trigger and got the thing. Or was this one of these... Oh, this is one of the things that you... It is the... Also, what is this? I have no idea. So you open this one too. Oh yeah. Also, I decided just to splurge and get this too. Because why not? You know. I forget what it's called. I'm sure this if it shows up on here. It's the crossbody. The bag is the crossbody EDC day bag. With nice stash patch. This is going on my hat because I've been wanting to get a patch. And the Eat and Code Survival Cooking kit. Nice. I kind of actually expected it to be huge as dongles, but whatever. Okay, so the first thing is a peeler and spatula. This is the peeler part right here. Actually, this wasn't that, much of, Then then you can use, from what I've seen from the thing, the tong set ×2. These can be used as a tong. Also, this is a scraper part for the cleaning, whatever. What I've seen on the website, this and this can become tongs. But this is a spatula also. Then you have an eating utensil with a bottle and can opener. Pretty nice. Now I wanted the day bag because, because I could use the day bag. Yeah. I forgot I ordered. Honestly, I ordered this. It's a really nice bag, actually. I can see myself using this as a post-apocalypse bag. There's 2 spots for morale patches. So, yeah. Pretty cool. I'm probably gonna take. Honestly, I'm gonna probably. Yeah, I'll buy another one. But it's a really nice bag, though. Yep, it's leather. I'm doing the smell test. This is what y'all do. You go. You can smell if it's real leather, and it is real leather, so. Yeah. So, yeah, I want to see how big the thing is. Like I have this, because it's taped. This, it's adjustable, but it's usually like this. You put it around you, whatever. So that's pretty cool. This, oh, if I could look at how much it costs, that'd be great. But I can't because I'm filming. But yeah, nice bag. Something up the top. Nice little day bags for clothes. Has a little packing in it. That's pretty cool. Seems like I could put a survival kit in here. I could easily put a 5C kit in here. Of course, that's probably not what it's for. But I'm weird. I see whatever, and yeah. Oh, has an opening pouch. Has this, it opens like this. It has like 3 pouches at least. Or 4. You can put whatever you need in here. Nice. It is with leather because I can smell the leather. I'm not going to screw with that because it's not going to do whatever. That's nice. That's actually nice if you can see it. Nice. I literally just wanted a, seems like it just automatically just does it. Well, one side does it, one side does not. That's stupid. Well. Well. Look at the magnetic, which is nice. Oh. But yeah. The back. I'm not going to try to screw it. Okay. It's an extra thing. For this. So let's go ahead and just put this. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, more about the little eating tool. I'm thinking post-apocalyptic. Right? I would eat. This is actually a legit, like, regular size eating fork. And it has like a bear logo on it, so I'm guessing it's, oh god, I can't think of what I know. I think there's a company that Grim Workshop actually works with, has that logo. I think it's the one, oh god, I can't remember. But yeah, really nice bag actually. It's just, that's a nice bag actually, so that's nice. That has like rivers on the top. This is a legit bag. I decided to splurge this month because, you know what? I deserve it. Yeah. If you go on to my music channel, you'll see I got my first bass, which is a Best Choice Products one, which is a cheapo brand, but yeah. Oh, that's why you can actually transfer if you get another patch. Oh yeah, this is the backing for this patch. That's cool. I'm gonna keep this in this little pouch right here. Now, I want to test out the. Wait, which was the bottle? Which was the can opener? Oh wait, yeah. But honestly, these can all. You see, these can all interconnect to make whatever. I forgot I actually bought this. I'll be honest with you, I actually forgot I bought this. But yeah, so that's cool. I got you know, a nice little bag. I just want a nice little bag, just, you know, if I'm ever in the wilderness. I can do a small little kit, like a 5C kit, whatever. Just, oh, I need to remove this knife. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Oh, nice. My favorite type of business card from them, the sport card. I love getting these. I love getting these. You don't even know. So yeah. I love it. So yeah, nice little bag. I said, you know what? I want a nice little bag for myself. Don't worry, I did give the survival kit, or to the person I'm giving it to. They already know it's a survival kit. I already told them. What I did was I put in candles and all that, and because I gave the person whatever, they know what it is, and I know they'll actually keep it with them. Oh my god!